I spill wine all on.
Hi guys, so before I get into this video, I just wanted to let you know that throughout April I am going to be streaming on this channel. I will post about it like on my Twitter page when I'm going to be doing it. I am going to be either streaming chatting or streaming games, but it's going to be for charity. It's part of the Pause to Play campaign, which is a charity for the Blue Cross, and essentially you stream for a certain length of time, you raise money for the charity and all that good stuff. So if you want to please help me out with this by either like turning up to the stream, or if you want to donate, the link is in the down bar. It all goes towards animal charity, the Blue Cross. I have a goal of £50 and I'm halfway there with pledges and donations, so if anyone could possibly, you know, spare a couple of quid, even if it's like 50p, I don't mind. Anything goes towards this charity. It's going to be awesome, and yeah, I'm hoping that it's going to be a success. And yeah, as I said, if you can spare a couple of quid, it's in the down bar, and yeah, any help is appreciated. So let's get on with the video. Hey everybody, so today in this video I'm excited because I am going to be opening up this month's Degustabox. Last month's was pretty decent. See what this month's has to offer. Okay. With these you always get more than what the box's cost is, so you always get a good amount of stuff back, and you get to try new stuff that you've not tried before. And yeah, if you want to sign up, there is a link in the down bar. It's my little referral link. You'll get some money off, I get some money off my next box or something like that. I can't remember how it works, but yeah, it's down there if you want to have a look. Okie dokie. So we have our list, which I'm not going to look at. This looks jam-packed full of goodies. Okay, so first things first, we have some chickpea puff snacks in salt and vinegar. These look like, what's this? But they're salt and vinegar. That's pretty cool. I'll enjoy that. I like salt and vinegar, it's my favourite flavour. We have a mug shot, which is chicken and mushroom. You can't go wrong with a bit of chicken and mushroom. 50% less plastic, but still as mighty. Okie dokie. Move my phone because I'm waiting for a phone call. Okie dokie, what else have we got? We have pitch. I don't know what pitch is. It is block or choc. Okay, so it looks like a pan au chocolat, but it's got like a stick of chocolate through it. Very strange, but okay, we'll go along with it. Fruit smoothie. My Google is talking to me.
Sorry, I don't know how to help with that. Here are other things you can try.
I don't want you to try anything. Anyway, Maynard's Best Hits fruit smoothie jellies. Yes. Okay, so next we have Bryn Flapjacks caramel fudge. Quite interesting. I like a bit of flapjack. They look pretty good. Oh, I've had these before. These are amazing. Vanilla marshmallow bar coated in milk chocolate. Yeah, these are incredible. There's no palm oil, no artificial colours or flavourings, so yeah, these are incredible. I've had them before. Next, we have got Smarties Orange, which is a chocolate bar. There's a lot of sweet stuff in this one this month. A lot of it. Okay, we have got protein. The protein. Not just any protein, the protein. Dark chocolate coated, 20 grams of protein, low sugar, gluten free, palm oil free. We have got crunchy nut peanut butter. Okay. I mean, I hate peanut butter and anything that's got peanuts in it, it makes me gag. So this is not for me, but I'm sure someone will enjoy it. We have got Philippa Berrio condiment with balsamic vinegar and Medina. Oh no, balsamic vinegar of Medina. Okie dokie. So it's a little vinegar. I mean, everyone uses vinegar. What is this? Okay, this one is olive oil. This is what the adverts are for. The singing of Philippa Berrio. Then we have got apple and red plum. Oof, that sounds amazing. Lightly sparkling fruit drink with something and green tea. So that's pretty cool. We have got, ooh, yes, a nice Lucozade Zero. I love Lucozade. So Lucozade Zero is all good by me. It's tropical flavour. I'm a fan. And then last item is a big one. Cheerios Organic. So that's pretty cool. Delicious organic honey and chocolate flavoured. So that's pretty cool. 5 organic whole grains, high in fibre. So pretty cool. I like this box. Okay, what have we got? So organic Cheerios is £3. Our Lucozade is £1.49. Get back in there. Our Philippa Berrios are £1.29. The can is £1.09p or £12.57 for a pack of 12. The Crunchy Nut Peanut Butter is £2.50. The Protein Bar is £2.50. £2.50! I would definitely not buy that normally. These are £1.35. If you go to Boots, you can get these in a meal deal offer, so just in case you're wondering. The Smarties chocolate is £1. The Flapjack is £2. I got the best flavour out of all of these. There's apple and raspberry, dark chocolate and ginger. Yeah, I think I got the one that I would prefer out of that lot. The fruit smoothie jellies are £1.32. Le Mugshot is £1.49. Pitch, these are £1.40. And the Hip Peas, these are 99p. Okay, so that is everything that is in our box. What is on this side? Winner, free Degustabox. So yeah, that is everything that is in this month's Degustabox. I hope you enjoyed this video, and yeah, if you did, please leave a like on the video, and I'll make more very soon. So thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Adios!